This is a toy Oblivion by Vasaki, and behind me is the very largest 4,000-ton wheel crane. Its boom stretches 205 meters, as tall as a 70-story building. Do you want to know how this big guy was made? Today, I'm taking you straight to the very largest wheel crane manufacturing base for virtual tour of XCMG factory. Let's go! As a typical product of construction machinery, cranes are characterized by multiple varieties, small batch sizes, and high degrees of discretization. They have large structural components, nearly 10,000 types of parts, numerous processes, and complex assembly. The production line we are currently on is one of the most core among XCMG's 10 smart production lines. The entire line has 22 stations and can achieve flexible production of over 30 product models, ranging from 5 to 500 tons. What is displayed here is the digital online inspection of chassis assembly quality. The system automatically determines whether it meets the standard, ensuring that the quality of the chassis products is 100% qualified before they leave the production line. Now let me show you another small workshop. Let's go!